So we have everything ready now. We have all our screens, all of our flow from start to finish. We even have our cute little picture there. So everything looks fine, but we're still missing something very important part of the design, a very important part of an iPhone app, and that's the iPhone icon. So we're going to create a new artboard. We can go to our artboards panel, just like create new artboard, or we can just draw it. So go to your artboard tool and actually start drawing it. So when you start drawing it, just press Shift. Well, just start drawing it. And then once you have it, you're going to change the name of it, change it to icon. And here, let's change it to the size that we want. So this artboard should be 152 by 152. Everything looks good. Perfect. Okay, now we can start actually making our icon, and it's right here. You probably have noticed that all the app icons are have rounded corners, but don't worry about that because that's something that is done automatically by the iPhone. So you only need to draw a rectangle with the rectangle tool, the size of this. Let's just check if it's actually 152. Yeah, 152. Let's put the background color, and what do you say we add our logo? So here you can get as creative as you want. You put a gradient, you can put many colors, you can use an icon, I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to use the first two letters of our logo. So apparently I had put in a different layer, so do not make that mistake. So let's just put this in the background. Change. And then we have this. This doesn't look very interesting. Again, you can skip this lecture because I'm actually just creating a logo, and you can create your own. So if you don't want to see this, you can just go ahead and skip to the next lecture where we're actually going to start prototyping, which is pretty exciting. So I don't know. Do I like it? It looks good. But you know what? Let's add some color. Come on, let's be a little bit creative. Let's add this color there. Now we have two colors. Let's compare to create outline. So you want to do that, just right click and then select create outlines. That way we can align to our board and it's going to be perfect. There you go. So it's looking good. Let's add a little gradient. What do you think? Let's create a gradient here. Go to your gradient panel. Let's make it a linear. Let's put it 90 degrees. You know what? Minus 90 degrees. So you can drag and drop colors from your swatches right here. So you can even do this. There you go. It's looking not too good. It's looking horrible actually. But don't worry, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make a very subtle gradient. So double click here. Let's actually go to HSV and make it a little bit darker. That way it's not as strong. And let's make it a little bit more saturated. It's looking good. It's looking nice. It's just very simple. You know, you want to keep it flat and simple, but at the same time you want to add something. So a small gradient, it's nice, and it's gonna make your icon pop a little bit. But you know what? I'm gonna be even more darker. Yeah, it's still not very convinced. Just very subtle, very very subtle. You know what? I'm even going to add a little bit of go to effect, stylize, drop shadow. I'm going to add a little bit of shadow. Yeah, you must be kidding me. Shadow? What is that? That's so tacky, Pablo. Well, I don't know. I am tacky, probably. So, 5 pixels, 5 pixels. This is looking good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Create your own. Create a cool, hip logo. You got 2 pixels. Nah, 2 pixels is not a smash. Let's go 6 pixels. Yeah, it's about right. Let's drop this to 50% instead of 75. It's not too bad. I'll actually go 25%. Perfect. Yes, that's what I wanted. It's very simple. There you go. So now we have everything ready. Let's go ahead and check all the names on your artboards. So you have your icon, and then you have U1. Actually, apparently this shouldn't be U1. It should be U2. So change this to U. Just check that all the names look good. It's looking good. It's looking nice. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to start actually prototyping. We're going to export all of these, and we're going to import them to our Marble app. It's going to be nice.